Whoever's bomb that was, that took out something. Whoa, that was a hit.
Yes, it was.
Requesting sentry.
Oh man, I just fell off the hill.
Watch out, Carl.
I know. I'm watching now. Oh, that was good. That was good. Ah, sorry.
Sorry.
No, that was my fault. I ran in front of you. I didn't realise.
I did nearly shoot you in the head.
Just waiting for that turret to spin around.
Kill us
In
all.
the head, you'll be alright.
There's a big bug nest. This have we got it yet? I don't think. No, it's one more hole.
No.
I can see it.
Okay, that was pretty good.
That was great. Great. Are you dead? Not dead. It's there. The hole.
If you could just fuck off.
Hello. Hello.
Fucking burns, man.
There's all sorts of things in there. Oh, that was close, Keith.
Yeah, you got me a bit.
I did. Sometimes just their carcass gets you.
I know, the fuckers, isn't they?
Just waiting for the cooking to subside.
I've got this, man.
So many of them.
Try and get my samples when I'm dead.
Fucking hell.
Whoa, giant laser from space!
Watch out.
So I'm bringing him.
Oh, sure, I didn't know you were dead.
Oh, that explosion was me, Cole.
Oh, that was your hell bomb!
Yeah, that's why there's no Bile Titans left.
Ah, nice.
Hey.
That was nice, Keith. Fucking reload.
There you go. At least we got it done, man. We got it done.
Double reload, so.
Another bar titan. I hate to break it to you.
Oh, for fuck's sake, man.
It's a smoky chungus.
And a partridge in a pen.
No more
Fucking
smoky
hell.
chungus.
Fuck off, man.
Barely moved from where we started.
Got him.
It's just, nice.
I've got his mate instead. God, son got massacred with that one.
Sending in an eagle.
Okay, we got him. It's the one
Nice.
over it. Love fucking empty.
Right, let's get to this fucking rocket. We didn't
Yeah.
even do the rocket.
No.
We got sidetracked with the excitement of bug nests.
It's true.
Where's the rocket? Oh, we're going the wrong way, lads. Go.
It's right here.
No, you're going the wrong way.
Yeah, I know that. I know that. There's two things right here. I can see them.
What things?
I'm gonna
Like
go to Byron.
samples. And they're undefended, so I just pick them up.
That's
Oh, the dreaded arc thrower.
good old-fashioned
I hear
ransack.
angry things in. Oh god,
Okay.
there's a lot of stuff in the rocket pit.
Tagging map.
Yeah.
Calling down a sentry.
Requesting
Requesting sentry.
Rocket pit.
Yeah.
Apparently it's bugs. That's what the radar's telling me. It's like bugs.
I got that feeling too.
Freedom.
I'm coming to you guys. It's getting too crazy.
Whoa.
You know that nearly fucking had the face.
Jesus.
You know when the Gatling turret turns around and you've got a guy in front of you. Whole
like,
fucking
no.
life flash before my eyes there, man. It's fucked.
Found something.
Fuck.
Requesting air support.
Oh, fucking place is falling apart. The incoming flying bastards.
Fuck off.
Coming up, Bard.
Oh, bollocks to you. Getting attacked by aircraft thingy, thought.
Right, 9.
Ciao.
Oh. What happened?
I was killed by the person who was supposed to be covering me.
I see.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Someone bring Byron in.
Like Gatling turret and not the actions of me. It was maybe poorly placed.
Maybe poorly placed.
Yeah,
Put me
maybe.
in and I'll land on one of those bastards.
Yeah,
Oh,
sure.
no, I won't. There's an napalm going in.
Oh shit.
Goddamn platform's on fire.
Cancel that. Heavy. Southeast 100 meters.
Okay, the things are done. Pulley outy the groundios.
Okay.
I see birds.
Right, turret's going at ground level now.
Somebody on the platform. Oh, what a dodge. Fuck you.
There's a lair somewhere, lads.
Aiming a birdie lair.
No, a fucking invisible wanker lair. Everything's trying to kill me at the moment.
I see the tip. It's out.
Whee! Just the tip.
Just the tip.
They don't like me being on this cannon, lads.
You think you left your washing
I
somewhere?
know.
Well, I'm using your washing machine because mine's broken and my
Fucking bounced off it.
Right, I got it.
Nice job.
Yeah, such, yeah.
Then I took a around doing my laundry.
Fuck you.
And I popped
Oh man, it blew up. I'm on my own now.
and I don't have it. And I can't.
Reload. Watch out, Sam.
I left it on the bus. Or I left it.
Is everyone alive?
Yeah.
Having it on the bus.
The aircraft, the fucking
Like, I
flying
feel
things are
like
coming for me again.
Bar
Okay.
Titan.
Foul time. I throw an eagle at it. Oh, nice shot. We probably could even use an eagle anyway.
Oh, Christ. I'm gonna get killed by something.
Well, got 9.
You know, that's close. How close is this rocket to firing?
It's loading.
10 seconds.
Oh shit, man, I gotta get out of the middle of
Oh,
this.
we've got to get out of it. Just jump off the edge.
Fucking hell, what a fucking bastard.
Oh, my leg.
Fucking hell, Byron, that was close, man.
I know, right?
One step to the left, you would have fucking lost your life.
Can't change.
Oh, I've been watching them. I was,
Should get some ammo.
They will.
fucking,
Yes, it's probably not.
Oh, it's a probe level.
Would you?
Yeah.
Lovely.
ammo, lads.
Yeah, ammo it.
I don't know if you saw me, I was up on the fucking mountain over there, sniping with the bloody...
I could kind of see you, but really it was so chaotic. It's
No,
like,
all I could see was the big stuff. So it's like, there's a big one, I started hitting that, there's another big one, started hitting that, then a load of bloody fly things trying to take my head off while I'm sitting in the sea. I'm fed up with the spore things, I tell you.
it's birds.
Oh, I was going to say, like, who are you firing at?
Oh, these lot.
Watch out behind you, Cole.
Oh, fucking birds.
Yeah, let's go down the hill a bit. Let's go down here, Cole.
You get them all.
Oh, you're
Watch out.
fucker, Cole. Whoa, look how many there are!
It's a turkey shoot!
Yeah.
We must be near the thingy.
I want one thing.
We gotta get out of here, Keith.
Gatling cannon, watch out.
Definitely don't.
Tell me, you little dick fuckers.
I'm following
Okay, we're
Byron,
good.
Keith.
We're
Yeah, let's
fucking
get
good.
out.
Jesus Christ, let's get out of here.
Let's get the hell out of here, man.
We gotta get out of here, man.
Game over, man.
Game over.
That was fucking nuts in there. I thought we were dead.
Oh, man. Quick, dive. Dive for freedom.
Dive up.
Yeah, nice shoot.
Yeah.
Never got that.
Objective critical stratagem.
Hell bomb.
Critical stratagem.
We were on top of the nest. Literally on top of it.
Run.
Run, run,
Man,
run.
I saw
run.
one of the fucking things get hit in the air. That's amazing. I haven't seen that before.
Oh, slid all the way down the mountain backwards. That's the way to do it. Quick escape.
Airstrike going in on that bug hole.
Yes, please.
Ah, you fucker.
Oh, run, Sam. This is fucked, man.
I'm pulling
getting
another
raised.
resupply at the bottom of the hill.
Holy shit.
Objective critical stratagem.
Watch out, Byron.
available.
There's a lot of fire going on.
Calling down objective equipment.
Call down the probe for some probing.
Love a bit of probing.
Man, that's done it. How did we get down here? Fucking hell.
It's probing time. Let's load up the probulator.
I got the terminal.
Oh, God.
He's good. He's ruined.
Did you see that? The spaceship was literally shooting at us.
Was
I
it?
used the rail
There's a guy
cannon
fighting
thing.
behind us, behind us.
Righto.
Oh, Christ alight. Do you want me to hell bomb it? Or. Okay, I'm going to hell bomb it. Fuck this.
Okay.
Oh, I managed to hit it with a fucking
can't run away.
Gatling turret.
No way.
Oh, I'm dead,
Oh.
lads. It's still. It's
that-
off.
Is that going to go off the helmet that was on your back?
Did you do the hell bomb?
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take that as a yes.
Watch out, Byron.
Fuck me, there's a bug hole here.
I think the probe needs a touch off.
The bastard jumped in the air and blocked the grenade.
Nice get in the nest. Good job.
Oh, that went nowhere. Alright, I'm firing from the puddle over there then.
You know, chase me out the fucking map.
Oh no.
Bad over that.
So many bullets.
I'm doing firing from here, but.
Okay, probing. Probulating.
Right down there, Byron.
Time of my life, mate.
Probe
Here
loading.
we came down there. Oh, it's in it.
There's bugs here.
Yeah.
Oh, watch out, playthings. Jesus Christ.
Mission progress logged.
Open fire. We don't need to go that way though. We're going the other way. There's ammo here as well if you guys
Oh
need
yes,
it.
I need ammo desperately. Where,
there was a turret.
where is it?
It's here. Right at the bottom of the hill we were.
Hell.
It's in the fire.
That's empty.
That's not as helpful as it could be.
I think, anyway.
Where are we going?
Oh, actually the other way. Yeah, I can see it, Byron. It's on the floor there.
Oh, I was up on that hill over there and I threw the emplacement down.
Oh,
I
yeah.
could do this somewhere.
It bounced
Is there
off
more?
the
I'll go
floor and
behind this.
landed behind this fucking massive rock here, look. It's in the fucking puddle round the rock there.
Here's ammo here, Sam, if you need some.
Where?
Just here.
Supplies.
Supplies!
Oh, nice. I got 28 with that airstrike.
Holy shit.
Wow, man. Are we going that way, are we?
Yeah.
Righto, Ted.
Next seismic probulator.
Oh, man. Is this time for another hell bomb? I didn't survive the last one, so let's hope not.
It's all good, man. Never have enough hell bombs, right?
You fucking cocksucker. Right, man, that thing came for me.
Right.
Oh, that was a good shot.
Oh, well done. Good strike.
No worries, man. I mean, that's why I thought I'd bring it, because
Reloading.
man. I survived somehow. Fucking man.
Okay. This way. Is it this way?
Yes.
Yeah, now. Oh, I hear big noises.
I'm
Yep,
happy
yep,
thing.
yep.
Yeah.
He's dead now. He's gone to a better place.
Objective critical stratagem.
Gone to join the big chunguses in the sky.
Yeah, exactly. There's always more, isn't there? Fuck's sake.
Oh,
Testing sentry.
File Titan.
Deploying sentry.
Oh, I missed him. Fuck.
Oh yeah.
Whoa!
I
Extended
didn't miss
his
that
range.
time.
Nice shot.
Redeemed myself.
Tapping the probulator. Probing. In. There's the bug hole behind us. Left and right.
Oh yeah.
Tunnel breach.
Whoa.
Oh shit, good shooting.
File Titan.
Northeast, 100 meters.
Oh yeah. Keith's got it.
Something's on my left.
Yeah.
Where?
Doing
Just there.
assault.
Oh no!
Oh.
Did I get someone?
You set us all on fire and Sam died. I had the right
Oh, no!
Alright.
These things happen, man.
I mean, I'm
I'll get all
My
your
bad.
stuff, Sam. Don't worry, man. I'll get all your stuff. Yummy.
Support weapon.
you got it.
Christ. I got your
Target
samples.
in.
Your shit's just there, though. How's the side
Okay.
thing coming?
It's loading now. It's nearly done. Last thingy. Here we
Got a
go.
machine gun down there, Sam, if you want it, or did you get a new one?
Loady
I got
load.
it. One.
Yeah, I fair.
It's done. Well done.
In progress.
Tagging map.
Uploady data.
100 meters.
Turrets take care of that.
Yeah.
Alright. Up the hill.
Another yomp.
I've got any ammo.
Uh,
Or shall I
Nope.
call some in?
Yeah, you can call some in. That's a grand. That's a great idea.
Oh,
Reload.
How do you know I'm on the gun first? The sound of the gun going off, or the enemy exploding?
I can hear the.
Some of the shots, man, are fucking close quarters. I have to stim myself because I shoot myself basically.
Hey, well, fans.
I give up aiming anymore. Like most of the time I do.
Just hope for the best.
No, from the hip. Just shoot.
Oh yeah, shoot it from the hip. Oh yeah.
Yeah, like bollocks, man. Just hip it.
Still alive. Got no face.
Oh, there's a thingy of purest yellow.
That looks like a radar up there, maybe. I don't know if that is a radar.
It could just
Oh,
be
invisible
a lump
fuckers.
Invisible
lump
fuckers.
of widget.
It could be lumpy.
Oh, Bughole's going to open up to our right.
Yeah. Of course. No more running allowed. Oh, fucking flying bastards.
Fuck, you scared the shit out of me, Sam. Fuck, man.
Sorry,
I'm nearly
sorry.
done yet. It might. Oh God, fuck, God, shit! How'd you know me? It might be Hellbomber clock. You know, it's getting a bit much out here.
Do it.
Okay.
Oh God, I'm doing it.
Do it, Tom, Eddie.
Oh, I've got to swim this.
Helldiver, clear the area.
Here we go. Fuck you, wankers. Gonna try and get through. I'm out, lads. I survived this one. Whoa, Christ! I got run over. I could do with a hand. I've got like. I'm really dead.
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
You're actually dead.
I'm really dead now. I'm on the real side of good instead of the fake side.
Oh man.
Oh, it's funny. Well, Hellbomb
That was pretty funny.
success. Yeah, Hellbomb success.
Oh,
Went
no.
off
You
with
die
it.
every time.
I do die every time, don't I? I have
Is
to
it
get
true?
better at that.
Mm. Hey, good job. There must be another nest near us somewhere. So many flying bastards.
This has got
Oh,
planet effects that they've got all the
oh
time.
bastards with us. Look out. Thanks, Sam.
That did it.
Maybe we should lake it. Did you drop your samples, Keith? Oh, thanks.
Oh yeah, good point.
Christ alight, something's having a go
They're
at me.
coming, they're coming. Let's lake it.
Thanks, mate. Nice one. I don't know if I got my samples. There's some samples down there. We'll assess it later.
Nice. Was a bird.
If you left those fuckers.
Yeah. Fuck you!
Damn, there's shit coming from behind, mate. Let's just get out of here and leave the turret to sort it out.
We got the bird nest. There's still some in the air.
Got run over.
Whoa, shit. Watch out, Keith. Big gun. Nice
Yeah,
shooting.
got it.
Ah, oh, we made it. What's the objectives? This way. Or like this way. Da 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 da.
Motherfuckers behind us.
There are.
New mag.
Oh yeah.
Gravity is my biggest enemy at the moment.
Goddamn gravity. What's it all about?
That and I keep fucking about, man. I just like stupid.
That's the funny part.
Did anyone get my samples? I think they did.
There are some left behind.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
That might be it. Might not.
What time we got? We got time.
We got some time.
What guns going on? Oh.
Ah, what the fuck?
I'll bring in a resupply while we're here too. Because we'll need
Yeah. Yeah.
Tremors. Is anyone doing the control panel? I think it was a 9.
I'm just doing the radar. Can someone have a look and see?
There's a lot coming down this fucking
Oh
hill.
yeah, I see, Byron. It's in. Oh no, it's slightly a little bit more to the. You can turn it.
Which
I'll
way?
tell you. If you turn it, I'll tell you if it's the right way.
Has anyone got another turret? There's a lot of scary
No.
shit coming down that hill.
That's it. You got it, Byron. Lovely.
Where's the scary?
Oh,
It's running away, actually. Oh no, it's on the it's on the ground. Watch out, Sam, behind you, mate. Right, it's dead, alright. Yeah, that fire's helpful.
nice.
I've got like a third of the ammo left, so we're good for a little while. Something sounds like it's coming from behind us.
Wait.
Yeah, I've got a sentry down behind us.
Loading.
Oh yeah.
Does anyone want a hell bomb?
See that thing, Keith?
Oh shit. Yeah, I got it.
That worked.
Sam, do you want a hell bomb? You haven't got a backpack.
Someone tap
Yeah.
the terminal over
There's one
there.
right there, look.
Oh right, yeah.
Keep your Sam.
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Okay, cool. It just needs a tap-tap-a-roo. Yay!
So you hit number 5 and it'll arm it.
I don't know what that is for me.
Oh yeah, cause
Oh yeah, well I'll tell you what, I could arm it, although you have to drop it, so this could be really dangerous for you now. Because if you don't know what the buttons are, then
I have no
well,
idea buttons,
I mean that's fucking dodgy, man.
What should we do now, Byron? There's 15 minutes left, and
I'm
Get
going to
those
get the fuck
samples,
away from
man.
this hell bomb. I don't know about you guys.
all right, I'm on it.
Which hell bomb? Me, Sam, or
Any of the
another
above.
one?
We've got loads of reinforced too. We've
Ooh,
hardly
there's
died.
now we can see.
What was that? Another spewer.
Spore spewer. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Well, it hit me, that.
Well, I cleared it.
Oh, some shit coming, Byron.
Marking
Isn't there?
location. South. Going down sentry.
Here comes the cavalry. Extraction is available.
Calling down a sentry.
Eagle 1 rearming. Be back shortly.
Fucking rat bastard.
They're rat bastards.
There they are.
10 minutes remaining.
Oh!
Calling in orbital strike.
Well.
Quality.
Sending in an eagle.
Sentry.
New mag.
Oh,
Oh
come
no,
on.
someone's dead.
I'm sorry, man.
Reinforcing.
Oh,
I knew it was
Titan.
going to happen. It was like swinging across me. Does that make sense?
Down a sentry.
Fucking Jesus.
Oh, right.
But Jesus.
Oh, we've got the bow Titan.
Woo, nice.
Got a sample.
Alright.
Extraction is available.
I didn't fucking get it.
A lot
Me?
of shit come from behind, lads.
To get you. Fuck off.
Where is it? Oh,
Fuck, man, I'm getting fucked over.
Oh, I got it.
Okay, I've got
Yeah.
an idea, and it's as hot as my pants.
Nice. That's the kind of ideas we want.
Shit, man, I'm not sure if it's going to work. Yeah, I'm drawing them away. Come on, you cocksuckers. Come for me.
They kind of got like a furry sort of texture, these guys.
Hellbomb armed. Clear the area.
That land.
I think I'm dead, lads. I'm not going to be able to run out of this.
fuck off.
Requesting air support. Requesting air support.
Requesting
Fuck it out.
20 bullets, lads.
There are some on the floor over here somewhere.
Okay, nice. I'll make my way. Oh, man, I'm going to fucking die. Anyone got a stim? I've got no
Yeah.
stim. I'm fucking dead, man.
I got Sim. Where are you?
Nice, oh, cheers.
How do I do it?
Gonna throw
I've
him a
done it.
grenade.
Fine.
I'm gonna die.
I don't know how to do it.
I've done it. I've done it.
Oh, right. You're on fire, kid.
Yeah, no, well, Demi.
I feel like you're either
Just a
on
little
fire
on
or not
fire.
Tracking location. Southeast.
I need another hell bomb. It's the only way.
Sentry.
Fucking hell.
Requesting jetpack.
Are you guys finding shit? Or are you just fighting shit?
Not really. We're just surviving at the moment.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not about to ram kids.
Sending in an eagle.
Look out, fire.
Requesting sentry.
I don't know what to do.
Hellbomb armed. Clear the
Calling
area.
down a support weapon.
I'm gonna die, man.
Requesting air support.
Dang, I fucking got annihilated on that one. Jesus Christ. There's loads of them, and then by the time, ironically, by the time the hell bomb went off, everyone
Yeah.
was dead. It's like,
Oh,
well, I'm
man.
dead now. So I got 2 seconds to get out of this shit, and it's not gonna happen.
There is files now.
Orbital inbound. Reinforcing.
Oh,
Motherfucker's down.
I died again using the hell bomb, Sam.
Oh, yeah. Have you had
Yeah.
one where you haven't died yet?
Yeah, I don't know. Fuck knows. Actually, yes, I've had one, but like,
Southwest. 50 meters.
5 minutes
it's
remaining.
literally singular.
5 minutes remaining.
just the normal stuff.
An eagle.
Yeah, basically.
Tagging map. Southeast. 300 meters. Calling
Oh,
We can't go
fuck, I got
somewhere.
well done over.
Calling in reinforcements.
I need a
man.
reinforce. I'm finally dead. Oh, maybe it's coming down
Okay.
anyway. Yay! I found a bug's nest in the city, but that's about it.
Calling down a sentry.
Oh, you guys are miles away.
Yeah, I'm coming to you, but I'm gonna go get those samples and shit.
I
Okay,
lost all
okay.
my shit up the top of that.
Oh, you're in the city, are you? I didn't.
I was,
remember the
I
name
was.
of the city.
Might not
Dead
sound
now.
the thingy,
We all said,
That's
that
the
worked
weapon
pretty well.
I was thinking of. Smoky Chungus.
Requesting fortification.
why are there so fucking many endless bugs?
Yeah. They never give
We're in
up.
the gloom, baby.
Holy motherfucking god.
New bag.
Watch out, Sam, they're coming for you.
Yeah, there's a lot of them, isn't there?
North.
2 Chunguses as well.
Chung guy.
Some would say Chungai. There's one.
Fuck off,
got-
you bastard.
I got a grenade on that one. The smoky one's dead. And I missed.
Watch out.
Oh, he hit me. Oh, I'm still alive. It's alright, the other one's gonna get me now. Oh, it's alright, I survived that too. Is that all you got?
I'm totally gonna die. Oh,
No way, man.
Requesting advanced weaponry.
Oh, he ran over me again. Oh, he got me the 3rd time.
fuck you.
Nice shot, Byron.
Calling down a
Thanks.
sentry.
Dropping a pin. North. Far. Ready to liberate.
Oh, my leg.
Calling down a sentry. Mag's empty.
Proceed to extraction.
That was nice. Oh. Oh. Hey, Mr. Turret. Oh. 2 turrets.
Northwest. 50 meters.
Fuck me, there's a Chungus right here.
1 minute, lads. If anyone
Oh,
gets there and sets it off, then
Yeah, it's a good idea.
we can use our stratagems.
that's a good idea.
I've called in supply. Oh, fuck me. I'm dead. Someone could call me in quickly. There's a on that ledge where I was. There's a shitload of stuff.
I see him. I just threw a napalm.
Deploying reinforcements.
It missed. It was a spectacular miss.
Remains. Destroyer departure imminent. Requesting sentry.
There's so
Go
many.
back up there, Byron.
Sorry?
You going back up there?
We need to go back up there. Whether I'm going to make it or not is a different question.
I'm bringing about 1 million with me. Oh!
Oh!
What the fuck? I need to reinforce before the time
Don't
runs
worry, I
out.
got it. We got
Cool,
it.
man. Good job.
Come on, man. Fuck off. There's so many. Shit!
8 seconds. Don't die.
Calling down a sentry.
Don't die.
Super destroyer leaving
Oh, I got 17 then. Whoa. We got him.
fuck.
Oh, your samples are in the stupidest little spot, man.
I know, they're very far away.
T-minus 1 minute.
No, they're down a hole. I can't get them. They're down a fucking stupid hole.
Oh, no way!
They fell down the edge of something, and there's fucking no chance. I think I'm
Okay,
gonna have to get
Shit.
out.
Oh man! Dead.
No!
Got to fucking.
There's a heavy gun at the thing, by the way.
Yeah, there's
Right.
too much stuff.
There's a lot of shit here. I thought we were working on it. Though.
Bag's empty.
There was a Chungus around.
I got him, I think.
Oh, well done.
It's the thermite. Oh, sorry,
another
Byron.
one.
I think I shot you.
There is another one in that gap on the ledge.
These hills, man, they're a bit odd to like crawl up the hill.
Bag's empty.
ETA T-minus 20 seconds.
That's the shit, Byron.
ETA T-minus 10 seconds.
That was good to have did that.
Made it count. That was my last one. I haven't got the backpack.
I've got it.
This is Pelican 1.
I picked it up.
Extraction zone.
Oh, well, the gun's in front of me. If you, there's a bile titan there.
Well, shit. I got the backpack, Byron, if you got the gun.
Shit.
The ship.
Countdown in
Run,
8.
just run.
Stand by for takeoff.
Let's get in that ship. Oh my god.
Man, I don't know if I'm
don't
gonna make
think I'm
it.
gonna make this.
There you are.
Oh man. I can't get
got
round.
it.
Oh.
Oh,
I
come
killed
on.
myself.
I'm in.
Fucking hell, this
Fuck,
is
no.
too close. No! No!
No! I can see you! Oh my god! I only just got in there. That's the closest ever, I think. They were stabbing my legs.
I stopped on the hill to shoot a load of stuff in the middle, so I could have actually got in.
Oh man.
The problem is, it's like it starts off as soon as someone gets in, doesn't it? So,
Yeah, I don't know, yeah. I barely got in though. I barely made it. It pretty much took off as soon as I got in. Ah. Impossible!
Oh, fucking living in a simulation.
I can't believe we did all of those. It was like chaos.
Squeaky human being on a good lap right there. Like,
Nice. Yay, we helped.
Woohoo!
Is it complete? Was it
No.
complete already? No, it was
Yeah,
like
we
I
nothing.
think
helped.
it's like not started rather than complete.
Oh, our contribution didn't even register. Oh,
This is so
wicked, man.
That was good.
That was bloody luck there. Look,
Well,
I got my armor that prevents death. 50% chance of fatal
Death proof
injury.
armor.
It is like that, exactly.